Hey guys, welcome back again to your Unacademy NEET English channel. I hope all of you are doing great, having a good time. So dear students, as you all must be knowing, majority of the times a lot of teachers, they come up with some important topics from every chapter. But in this particular session, I'm going to let you know what are the least important topics from every chapter basically. So these are the topics which are not to be avoided completely. These are the topics which are to be given the less priority. That does not mean you're going to avoid them. No way. You will be studying them, but the priority will be the other topics from the particular chapter. So starting with the first one, that is significant figures, right? Well, this is the topic. If you see the basically past 10-year papers, there can be once like a question was asked long back from this significant figures, right? So basically, I would consider this particular topic in the least important category, right? So similarly, laws of chemical combination, only once in past 10 years question have been asked. In the similar way, you have got discovery of subatomic particles, which involves electrons, protons, neutrons, average molar mass of gaseous mixture, Millikan's oil drop experiment, Thomson's model, distance of closest approach. In the similar way, impact parameters, history of periodic table, payload from the chapter gaseous state, aqueous tension from the chapter gaseous state, surface tension, viscosity from the chapter gaseous state, similarly indicators, and at the same time, the vapor density measurement. Well, you know there's one particular topic from chemical equilibrium, right? That is calculation of degree of dissociation or association with the help of vapor density measurement. This is again the least important topic which you are going to prioritize very less, right? Now, apart from that, there are a few more topics, as you can see. The band theory, which is there in your solid state, electrical and magnetic properties, concentration cells, second and third order reactions, kinetics of series, parallel, reversible reactions, right? And at the same time, you need not to go for the effect of temperature and pressure in the organic reactions, except in case of your ethyl alcohol plus concentrated H2SO4, right? At the same time, there are like 3 more topics which I would want you guys to prioritize very less. Chromatography. You're not going to study this particular topic in detail. It's not required, right? Whatever is there in your NCERT, that much is enough. No need to go for this in detail. Similarly, you've got estimation of elements, right? Estimation of elements, except nitrogen isn't required. So basically, you're going to go for the estimation of nitrogen only. Whatever different elements other than nitrogen are given, right? No need to go for them. At the same time, uses of polymers, I don't consider this to be very, very important topic. Again, I'm telling you, my dear students, these are the topics which you are not going to avoid completely. These are the topics which you are going to prioritize less. In another video, I'll come up with the most important topics from a particular chapter in your chemistry. Right? Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, do like, share and subscribe to this particular Unacademy NEET English channel. Right? Thank you for all the love and support. Take care. God bless you all and love you all.